Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to the seventh episode of Python tutorial series, okay, string methods. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings, and all string methods return new values. They do not change the original string because string in Python is strings in Python, they are immutable, they are not changeable, okay. So method name and then description, capitalize method converts the first character to uppercase. Case fault method converts string into lowercase, okay. But I believe there's another method to convert a string into lowercase, that is the lower method. Center method returns a centered string. Count method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. Encode method returns an encoded version of the string. Ends with method returns true if the string ends with the specified value. Expand tabs. What is this method? Sets the tab size of the string. One thing to note here is that the case fault or ends with expand tabs. These do not follow camel case or Pascal case trend. Okay, they do not follow the camel case or Pascal case. I'm talking about the function whose names is consist of 2 or 3 words, like expand tabs, ends with, case fault, etc. So find method searches the string for a specified value and returns the position, index position of where it was found. Okay. Format method formats specified value in a string. Format underscore map method, and it's in snake case. It's not Pascal case, it's not camel case, it's snake case. Formats specified value in a string. Index method searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Okay. And is L num method returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. Okay. Only like A to Z, either in uppercase or lowercase, anything is acceptable, and also the numbers, but not anything other than letters and what should I say, numbers. That's called alphanumeric. Is alpha method returns true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet. Is decimal method returns true if all characters in the string are decimals. Is digit method returns true if all characters in the string are digits. Is identifier method returns true if the string is an identifier. Is lower method returns true if all characters in the string are lowercase. Okay. Is numeric method returns true if all characters in the string are numeric. Is printable method, as you can see, almost every method is clickable, since I do not really have that much time. It's not that much time. It's actually, if I continue with the tutorial series once upon a time in the future, you may encounter this, but for the time being, if I start going through each and every link, it will be so clumsy and lengthy. So is printable method returns true if all characters in the string are printable. Is space method returns true if all characters in the string are white spaces. Is title method returns true if the string follows the rules of a title. Is upper method returns true if all characters in the string are uppercase. Join method joins the elements of an iterable to the end of the string. Okay. And what is that thing? I cannot. Can I zoom in? What is that? is just or just, okay, whatever, let me click that. OL just, I believe it is left just, stands for left just, or the left justified. That's all. Returns a left justified version of a string. Lower method converts a string into lowercase. Is strip method returns a left trim version of the string. Oh, it's not is strip, it's L strip. Returns a left trim version of the string. Make trans. Oh my gosh, how many methods are here? If I continue, not too many. Okay, let me continue then. Make trans method returns a translation table to be used in translations. Partition method returns a tuple where the string is parted into 3 parts. Replace method returns a string where a specified value is replaced with a specified another specified value. Okay. rfind method searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found.Rindex method searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. Rjust method returns a right justified version of the string. Rpartition method returns a tuple where the string is parted into 3 parts. Rsplit method splits the string at the its specified separator and returns a list. Okay. Rstrip method returns a right trim version of the string. Split method splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. Split lines method splits the string at line breaks and returns a list. Okay, starts with method. Returns true if the string starts with a specified value. Strip method returns a trimmed version of the string. Swap case method, my gosh. Swaps cases, lowercase becomes uppercase and vice versa. Title method converts the first character of each word to uppercase. Translate method returns a translated string. Upper method converts string into uppercase. Zfill method fills the string with a specified number of 0 values at the beginning. Okay, so already 6 minutes gone. Is it 6 minutes or 8 minutes? I cannot see properly. I believe it's 8 minutes. In that case, I should close the video right away. Let me go to the next chapter first. Okay, this is, let me do this. Okay, Python string exercises. Test yourself with exercises. Now you have learned a lot about the strings and how to use them in Python. Are you ready for a test? Yes, I am. Try to insert the missing part to make the code work as expected. Use the len method to print the length of the string. Okay, it's very easy. Len of x, let me first of all, okay, len has to be lowercase, then parenthesis starts, it's not z, it's x, then I need to submit answer. This is the problem, not problem exactly. Now I'm trying to submit. Okay, that's it then. I guess I'll see you in the 8th episode of this tutorial series. Until then, have a great day.